Good afternoon to all of our traders around the world. What I have here before me is a NASDAQ 100, uh, index 100 of the NASDAQ, top 100, and you got your weekly chart right here and whatnot. So when I talk about how we were up here and we would go into an actual bear trend when it was up here for the month of May, you already all know that because it's there on the channel. Go look at it, just like everything. It's done before it happens, not afterwards. So basically, what I would like to talk about is that blue line with you, which is referred to a public indicator 10-week moving average. That 10-week moving average at 65.92.4, right up above it. That red line, check that one out. That's a 20-week at a 68.20. Yes, it is. So let's go ahead and draw another line outside of this price action, and let's just take it right here. We're going to go exactly right here. So it'll be just perfect right there. That's going to be the upside. Today is the 23rd, like I said, and markets are going to open up in the morning. So we went from a good complete bear market, which makes a lot more money, as you've been told, and then you could take a look at it this way. It was down here earlier in the year. That was during that time we had a consolidation breakout all the way up to the highs and whatnot. So here we are right now. We're going to get that wholesale bid. We're going to go ahead and just say one thing for sure, though, that the lighter volume has been a key factor in this roll. And the thing that we're looking for right now is where does that next bear reversal come in when it does hit that high channel up here on that NASDAQ 100? Are more people going to be either buy it or sell it? Well, most of you don't even realize that 85% of the volume was done with machines, not people like you. You're the one that's the minority. Anyway, NASDAQ 100, we're on the other side of this channel. It's ascending, and it's going to come straight right up here, like I said. This is going to be the hook of it. It's going to be that bottom on this side to this right-hand side body and price right here. And that's going to be that resistance level up there. One thing that we got to take a look at is that the month of May was the bear reversal and went into bear territory as we did. So now volatility to the downside is one equation. But then again, if you listen carefully, you've got your upside volatility. Now, in order to do this, you would have to get with me and I would train you on how to calculate that top to that bottom to where we're currently at and what would be at that point in time right now, how strong is this move going to really be and whatnot. And when it does hit resistance, we're going to be at the top end of the channel. Remember one thing, the month of June is only the 23rd, so there's still another week. But technically, with public indicators, 10-week, 20-week going up, and you're coming off of that side of the price, and this is where the resistance is. This is where we popped up outside of that up here toward the highs. Then we ran into that 10-week moving average at resistance here at 65.92 on the NASDAQ 100. And believe me, you can be a millionaire trading the NASDAQ 100 call and put options. And if you ever want to make that kind of money, just feel free to get in the free trial and ask all the questions that you can and whatnot. We're going to also take a trend line over here in 2019, and that was in January. And the reason why we're doing that is because we can clearly see right here. Hold on, let's go up to right there. Now, that's coming off of this low that happened in January. Oh, yeah, it is. And then we went straight on up. Your weekly moving averages were busting out. Everything was looking good. Then what? We called the reversal. Here on the YouTube. Go back and look in the time. Now, that bear reversal, and this is the bull side of it. Just know one thing. Here's what you need to learn from us. It's not something you can go out there and get a retail answer to. It's the real mechanics of market moves. 702-685-0772 and how to use the moving averages as well. Now, to all of our friends and traders, this is where we're going. We had The bad news became good news. You had the China news and Trump tweets. I can go on and on. Everything that was creating headline volatility. Here's what I will tell you beyond a reasonable doubt. The volatility that you've already seen so far in 2019 is going to the next reversal, the next big volatility spike is going to be greater in value than the previous one. And that's where you can really ring up the money if you're on the right side of the market. You want to get together with that, that's fine. We do index trading, we do it all. And I can tell you right now, calls and puts on the NASDAQ 100. We'll put it in your option chain and you'll see it. But yeah, we'll be talking about that one along with that S&P 500 as far as getting calls or put options on that. And then I can tell you 99.99% of the people have never even seen a call chart or put chart. If you want to change your mind and stop that madness, just call us today.